If you need to block someone on PayPal, the process is straightforward. Follow these steps to ensure that you no longer receive payments or communications from the person you wish to block. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Enter your email address and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, locate the gear icon or settings option in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to the blocked users section. In the settings menu, look for the security or privacy tab. Within this section, find the option for blocked users or manage blocked users. Step 4. Add the user to your block list. Click on the option to add a blocked user. Enter the email address or PayPal ID of the person you wish to block. Confirm your action to add them to your block list. Step 5. Save changes. After adding the user, make sure to save any changes if prompted. This will ensure that the person is successfully blocked from sending you payments or contacting you through PayPal. By following these steps, you can easily block someone on PayPal and enhance your account security. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to PayPal's customer support.